Yes, so today what we would be doing is we are starting with a small little meditation exercise where we close our eyes and do breathe in and breathe out. So if you know how to breathe in and breathe out, just show me a thumbs up. If you know how to breathe in and breathe out, just show me a thumbs up. I can see Shivani, Yuvan, Sarah. They are all showing me a thumbs up. Myra, they are all showing me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Great, Chanel. Very good. So what I would be doing is I'm going to tell you, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. When I say 1, 2, 3, you all have to breathe in. Like 1, 2, 3. Things are freezing for me. Is it like my voice is okay?
It is. I think there is some internet issue. You can try now. I can hear you properly now.
Okay. Okay. So when I say, all the mics are off right now. They are only listening to what ma'am is saying. So when I say 1, 2, 3, you all have to breathe in. So breathe in with me. 1, 2, 3. When I say 4, 5, 6, you have to breathe out. 4, 5, and 6. Okay. One more time we are going to practice. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 out, 5 out, then 6. Okay. Let's do one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, great. Ma'am, can we play the music?
Just let me know when you hear the music.
It's breaking and coming, ma'am.
Now is it coming?
Little. You can share the sound. I think that would be better. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So let's breathe in. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 4, 5, 6. Close your eyes, everyone. Breathe in. Breathe out. 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 1, 2. Close your eyes, everyone. 2, 3. Breathe out. 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe out. 4, 5, and 6. Breathe in. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. Yes, Goransh?
I have a problem with my video. I can't switch on my video.
That's fine, Goransh. Let's do the breathing exercise with everyone. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 4, 5, and 6. Breathe in. 1. A deep breath. And out. Breathe in. And out. Now, I hope everyone is closing their eyes. I want all the eyes to be closed. And just imagine, say hi to your head when you are closing your eyes. Say hi to your head. You have to do nothing. You have to just say hi to your head. Now, say hi to your shoulders. You have to do nothing. Just say hi to them. Say hi to your tummy. Just say hi to your tummy. I want all the children to close their eyes and focus on their tummy. Now everyone with their eyes closed are focusing on their knees. Just focus on your knees and say hi to your knees. Now everyone, let's focus on your feet. Say hi to your feet. And take a deep breath. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now rub your palms on your face and gently massage your eyes. Gently, very gently. Yeah. Now we are going to start with the story, and the name of the story is I Am Calm. If you can see the picture of the story, you can show me a thumbs up. Show me a thumbs up. I want, if you can see the picture of the story.
Already heard this story.
Okay, Tavisha, if you have heard it, then we are hearing it again with the new things, okay? So please show me a thumbs up if you can see the story. Great, I can see.
But this
many
is
thumbs.
another one. I have shown another one.
Okay, Tavisha.
That's why it's so important to read one book for multiple times. So what happens? In a single time, you might not be knowing all the things that is there in the book. So if you read a single book for maybe 2 times or 3 times, you will get to know so many new things about that book. And you yourself will say, oh, when I read this book, I did not know that this thing is there in this book. That's great. We read this book again to know a new thing about it. So it's always good to read a book.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yeah.
Absolutely, ma'am. I just vouch for what you just said. So it's very important to read the book again and again. Thank you for bringing that to us. So this story is I Am Calm. And you can see who is there there's a one little boy who is there on the cover page of this story. I'm going to ask few things from you. So you have to raise hands and tell me, what do you think it's going to be there in the story? Very quickly. Sarah is raising hands. Sarah, what do you think it's going to be there in this story?
What do you think will be there?
Hi, Dhruv.
Yes.
Tell ma'am, what do you think?
What do you think it's going to be there in this story? आपको क्या लगता है क्या होगा इस story में? Sarah?
हिंदी में बोल लो.
हाँ, हिंदी में बोलो, कोई बात नहीं.
iPad.
Okay. One thing taken. Anyone else who wants to share? What do you think? Yuvan is raising hands. Yes, Yuvan.
I think Amishi is also raising a hand. So after Yuvan, Amishi will say. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Yuvan.
And do exercise and go party and watch TV and naunga और कल कपड़े पहनूंगा.
Okay, Yuvan. Thank you for sharing that. And ma'am, you said who?
Amishi.
Amishi, can you please share? I can't see Amishi on the screen.
Shivani is Amishi. Shivani is her mother's name.
Okay, ma'am. Shivani, yes, Amishi, yeah.
Amishi, we can't hear you, beta. You need to enable your microphone, beta.
Yeah, we can't hear you, Amishi. You can write in the chat, Amishi. We'll read it in the meanwhile.
Yes, write it in the chat box. Yes.
Yeah, and Myra was also raising her thumb. Myra, you want to share what's going to be there in the story? You have to switch on your mic, Myra.
Story happened. Oh,
Who is going to be there in the story, Myra? Who do you think is going to be there in the story?
Story has one boy and one girl.
Okay, you think story is going to have a boy and a girl. Thank you so much, Myra, for sharing that. Now let's, with all your prediction, Amishi is also writing. We'll read her prediction also. And we'll read the story now, what's going to happen in the story. This story's name
Take
is
a last comment.
Yes,
from
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, Divik. Yes.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want to say something?
Divik. Yes, Divik.
I want to also share one thing about the story. I think the story is about a girl who keeps getting angry every time when she is irritated, and then she's gonna go meditate and she's gonna feel fine and calm.
Quite interesting. Wow. Let's see what happens in the story. Thanks, Divik, for sharing that. Great.
So let's meet his family. Everyone in my house is stressed, but I am not. I am calm. So here is a new word that is there, stressed. What do you think it means? Anyone who has any idea what do you mean by stress? Divik is raising hands. Yes. Divik and Shivani. Yes, Divik.
It means that you're irritated and you have so much work to do.
You are irritated and you have so much work to do. Okay. Shivani, what do you think stress is? But your voice is not coming. You have to write in the chat only. Okay. Ma'am, if you can enable the chat if it's not enabled.
It's not enabled?
Okay. I don't know. I have to check that.
It's enabled.
Okay, okay. So Rehmat is also raising hand. Rehmat, what do you think is meant by stressed?
Now, what do you think? You need to tell what you want to say. Don't share.
Acha, Rehmat, just talk to me. Say, what do you think means by stressed? As you can see the line, it's saying everyone in my house is stressed, but I am not. I am calm. What do you think it means?
What is it?
Anything that's coming to your mind.
What is there in the photograph? You were telling me, no, what was there?
2 dogs.
Yes.
And 1 cat.
And what is happening?
And 3.
You can tell ma'am what you were telling mama. Okay. What is the baby doing?
Crying.
Everybody is doing what? Stress. Everybody is doing stress.
Okay, what is stress then? What do you think? As Divik said, everyone is doing something or the other. Divik also shared. Divik, can you share again what you said? And then maybe Yuvan.
I said stress means that you have no time to do anything and you are so busy and you're tired.
You are so busy and you are so tired. Okay, yes, you are right.
Tired
Divik.
or you're tired or you are getting irritated.
You are getting irritated. Yes, Yuvan. Angry and pareshan. Bilkul. Yes, Yuvan, you are right. Everyone is stressed because everyone is pareshan. Everyone is worried. You are absolutely right. So as you can see, this house, everyone is stressed, but he is not. He is calm. Let's find out why. Let's find out more things about him. Mom is stressed because she is working from home. She is marking exam. It's not going well. You can see his mama is very stressed, very worried. Mama is stressed about the backyard. The mower is broken and grass keep growing. So this mower is also not working and mama is so stressed. You can look at her face also. But look here. How is he? He is calm. Granny is stressed. You can see this is grandma and she is also stressed about baby Billy. He has red cheeks. Can you see baby Billy's cheeks? They are all red and cries a lot, and he's crying a lot. Like this. Can you all show me how baby Billy is crying? The baby Billy is crying like this. And they are all stressed. They are all worried. But can you look at his face? He is not stressed. He is calm.
I am calm.
You are also calm. Okay, we'll talk about what do you mean by calm also. Grandpa is stressed about Granny. Now, grandfather is also stressed about Granny because she is looking very tired and she is not very calm. Everyone is so much stressed, but can you again look at his face? He is not stressed. But I am. I am very calm. Can you see him? He is so calm. Can you show me how does a person look when he is calm? Can you show me from your body? How is he calm? I can see Amishi is sitting so calmly. Sarah is sitting so calmly. I would request everyone to switch on their cameras so that I know.
Meditation.
Meditation kind of. Absolutely, Yuvan. Thank you for sharing that. Now he is going to share a secret. His name is Rahul and he is going to share a secret. Now Rahul is going to share a secret that how is he calm. Do you all want to know his secret? Show me a thumbs up. Do you all want to know his secret?
Yes.
Great. Let's know his secret. How is he so calm? So my teacher taught me to close my eyes and breathe very slowly. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3 and breathe out 4, 5, 6. So breathing makes him not so worried. So can you all show me how to breathe in and breathe out when you are getting very worried? Can you all show me how will you breathe in and out?
1, 2,
how will you breathe in?
4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Let's breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 4, 5, and 6. Great. So you are also like Rahul now. Let's see what more secrets is he having. I do this whenever I feel worried about mom. Then I give her a big hug and say, you have got this. So he's giving a big hug to the mama. To mama. Can you all give a big hug? How do you give a big hug to mama? Can you all show me how do you give a big hug to mama? Yeah, you give a big hug like this. Absolutely. Now what is he doing? My teacher taught me some yoga poses too. So can you do one yoga pose that Yuvan was talking about? Yuvan was talking about doing meditation and closing your eyes and putting your arms straight. Can you all show me that? Can you all show me that? Like this. Very nice. And Myra, can you also show me how
Yes,
to do a
I
yoga
can
pose?
see all of them are doing so nicely. I can see there. Okay, Tavisha has stretched his did a split legs. It's really good. I could see there are so many ways that they themselves have found out the exercise that they can do to make themselves calm. Great. Okay.
And this little boy is saying, I do these whenever I hear mama trying to start the mower. And then what he does? Then I hold my mama's hand and say, things will be better tomorrow. Let's imagine you are holding mama's hand. Let's all imagine you are holding mama's hands and say, things will be better tomorrow. Say it. Things will be better tomorrow. Absolutely. I saw many children doing that. Thank you so much. Now let's hear his another secret. My teacher told me to hug my puppy or my favorite teddy whenever I feel anxious. So quickly bring in your one teddy that you have at home. Quickly bring one any soft toy that you have at home. I can see Sarah has already got it. I can see Avyukt is also showing, I guess. Avyukt has got, wow, Avyukt has got a teddy bear. Tavisha has got one. Divik is going and finding out. Oh, that's so nice. So whenever you are worried, just hug up your teddy. Wow, Shiva, Amishi is also showing. Can you all hug your teddy whenever you are worried? Or if there is no teddy, you can hold up your pillow also. So if you have a pillow, hold up that. Dhruv, do you have a pillow? You can hold that. And hold that tightly. Rehmat is also showing. Yeah, so whenever you are feeling worried, you have to hold up this. I do this whenever I hear baby. Yeah, I can see that, Yuvan, your heart pillow. I do this whenever I hear baby Billy cry. Then I take baby Billy in my arms and say, I will hold him for a while, Granny. So Rahul is helping now Granny in holding up baby Billy also. You can see how calm is he. Whenever I feel sad, scared or worried, my teacher told me to take a walk in the nature. In the garden maybe, or in your terrace garden or in your balcony. That makes me feel safe. So he is going with his grandfather and he's going outside and telling him, let's go, Grandpa, and take a walk. In my house, when people are stressed or worried, I am not. I am calm. And I make everyone else calm too. That's so nice. So this was Rahul's story. So everyone, can you tell me how was the story? How was Rahul's story? Good?
Very
okay. Now let me test. Very good. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me ask one thing from you that you remember from the story that Rahul used to do.
To keep himself calm.
What he used to do to make himself calm. What he used to do. Can anyone share? Can they raise their hands and share what Yuvan is saying something, I guess. And then Avyukt.
Yes.
Yes, Yuvan.
I'm good boy.
Say what Rahul was doing to.
What are you doing?
Yeah, what was he doing? Tell me any one thing that he was doing, Yuvan. Oh, are you showing the yoga pose?
Yeah.
Oh, so he was doing the yoga pose.
Great.
So I just write down whatever, ma'am, they are saying. Megha, ma'am, can you take the responses?
Sure. So Avyukt was next. So Yuvan said yoga pose. Avyukt, what do you say?
We should hug our teddy bear. We can hug our teddy bear.
Hug your teddy bear. Absolutely. And anyone else? Anyone else?
Amishi is raising hands, I guess.
Amishi, yes, beta. Amishi, then Divik.
Amishi, your voice is not coming today.
Beta, we can't hear you. You can write that in the chat box, okay? All right, write that in the chat box. Divik, you tell me.
The boy was telling everyone who was stressed to keep on trying and keep on trying.
Talking
Can I
to
write
people?
talking to people? Can I write that?
Actually, so Himani ma'am, it really helps when I am not feeling good, I'm stressed out something, I go and talk to my friend, my family, and that eases me out. That really eases me out. So that's a very good point, talking to people. If you're stressed, go and talk to your mummy, your papa, your bhaiya or didi if they are around. Go and talk to them. Definitely. Okay, anyone else? So I guess who's gone? Dhruv, would you like to share, beta? So
Can I give them a hint of one
Amishi
thing?
is saying, Amishi has written in the chat box, she's saying, take a walk in the nature.
Oh yes, take a walk in the nature. Take a walk in the nature.
Wow,
that's great.
Awesome. That's really awesome.
And the last thing. There was one more thing that we did in the starting
The
also.
most important thing.
We
Elana.
did it.
Elana is raising her hand. Yes, Elana.
Football.
Football.
Holding your hand and say things will be
Fine.
alright tomorrow.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's so
awesome.
nice. So I can
That's
write in this only, ma'am. She's
Uh-huh.
saying talking to people and sharing that things will be fine tomorrow.
So Ria is saying breathe deeply. That breathing helps. That's nice. So Ria has given her answer that breathing deeply. And yes, Sarah, hugging your mama. Yes, Sarah, hugging your mama. So these are some of the tools that we have got. Even as small kids, we are stressed out. We get stressed. Oh my God, मेरा favorite cartoon miss हो गया. Oh my God, आज मम्मा ने फिर से लौकी बना दी. I'm so stressed out. So क्या करना है? Take a deep breath in and out and have लौकी. You will find it really tasty. All right. और कोई बात नहीं. कार्टून आज नहीं आया, कल देख लेंगे. Never mind, अब तो सब easily available है. And whenever you give hug to your mama, half of your problem, your stress will go. So your mama is there with you all the time. Your mama is there with you all the time. Mama, I'm stressed out. Kyun? Because I don't like tinde ki sabzi. Oh, I don't want to have Bournvita milk. It's too much for me. I'm getting stressed out. And now we know that there are so many tools that we have found here, and you know these tools are definitely going to help. So I hope you
Ma'am,
all will
what
follow.
I'm thinking is, whatever their favorite one is from all these, whatever their favorite one is. So I have written all of it in the chat, as you can see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Saurabh, your mic is on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written 5 of them all. Now what you have to do is
Just write the number, which one is your favorite. Is it the number 1 your favorite, number 2 or 3 or 4 or 5? Just write the number, and you can tell me which one is your favorite. And once it is done, you may leave the meeting as the time is over. If you want to stay back and say something, you may stay back, but we are left with only 5
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Gauransh.
yes, Gauransh.
we have to write on a paper.
In the chat box, beta. Write in the chat
The
box.
chat box. Yuvan
Okay.
is saying 1 is Yuvan's favorite.
Avyuk
Okay.
says
Avyuk
2.
is saying teddy bear.
Wonderful.
Okay. We want all the children to write the number.
Yes. Divik says
Divik is
3.
saying
Talking to people. Absolutely. Laksh
Divik,
says
you want to
5.
share something also?
She says 1.
Say something.
Yes,
I
Divik.
did, ma'am. I do every day the same thing that you said about the TV talk.
Okay, you get stressed out with
Whenever
that.
I miss my show, so whenever it's my other show's time or some other show I don't like, but it's my TV time, I just use my father's or use my laptop to watch it on YouTube.
Wow.
Yes, Yuvan. Yes, Yuvan.
Start playing with my dolls.
Okay, thank you. May I know your name, girl?
Amrita Jan.
All right. Thank you, Amrita, for sharing that. You like to play with your doll. Yes. These are the tools. And remember, you need to follow these ones. Also the favorite ones. And also those we have learned today. And that is definitely going to help you when you are feeling stressed out or you're feeling that the time is not perfect. It is not going well for you. All right. So lots and lots of love from Himani ma'am and Rika ma'am. We'll definitely going to see you all next time really soon. Keep watching and tell your parents to check the emails for the update. Okay.